This is my live reaction to One Punch Man, 124th Punch, the new Fubuki group. Serious justice is the strongest. That's the time on the cover. Rover's just firing shots at him. Uh-oh, they're jumping away. Okay, step out of the way. That darn dog is really making a mess of things. It seems it is already injured, but I've never seen a monster at this level. What on earth are we supposed to do against that? It's probably one of the Monster Association's strongest members. Now's a good chance to take it down while it's weakened. Bleeding. Okay, she's freaking out. We shouldn't split up with King. No point in moping over it. Better count on your support, young lady. Shall we do it, big bro? Where do you go? Just blast through behind him? Uh-oh. Shoot. Bing bomb in front. Okay. Boom! Blast out the middle. Crumbles. Oh. They're glowing. I'm unscathed. Ooh. Without my protection just now, there would be nothing left of you. Yomi. She's cleaning her eyes, nose and mouth. But don't expect me to be able to block the next one. Rover's above them. Uh-oh. Starting to blast. I can't run away. All them black suits. I'm sorry, everyone. As we were joined by strong new members and are about to rebuild the group. Leader's gone. I feel so inadequate. As leader, this is the best strategy I can come up with. Listen. You two are the new Fubuki group. I'll put up this shield one more time. You look for an opportunity to escape. Huh? I have reinforced your bodies. You should be able to move a little bit faster, although the effect is only temporary. Oh, you're testing out. You're right. Looks like the pain in my knee is gone. Uh-oh. I can no longer feel the strain in my lower back. Rover just sends more blast. Uh-oh. Now, get moving. And whoa. Bing bomb like sending all the all the blasts away. Thank you, young lady. Ooh. The sharpness has returned to my fist. Let's go, big bro. Yeah. Whirlwind, water stream, cross fang, dragon slayer, fist. Boom. They're on both sides of Rover. It's like welling on him. Man. And I think that's the end of the chapter. With the fact that, like, she took away the pain. Like, they were good as new. Man. Looks like she's like a better support than she realized. The fact that she thought it was all over, and then, like, what are you talking about? You guys knew. And Rover just destroying the battlefield. Man. And her down herself? Man. She didn't do that. She's great in her own way, but Bing Bomb, like a tear by that, 2 tears. Bing Bomb or monsters, alright. So I wonder if Rover's gonna be like down now, or is he gonna run away? I mean, the Gar was like trying to summon it. I guess, yeah, there a look. Man. Rover just coming in. I'm just loving like the details of like the explosion, all the pieces flying around. Yeah. It's a really good chapter. What are your thoughts? Do you think Rover's down, or where do you think they're going to go next? I mean, if Rover's down, I guess we go back to Tatamaki, or maybe back to Saitama, or Genos. We haven't seen King in a while. Or maybe to one of the other S-Class or Sweet Mask. Well, yeah, what are your thoughts? If you're new, subscribe, like, comment. Thank you for watching, and have a good rest of the day.